Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly customize the vehicle motion cues appearance on your iPhone and iPad. The vehicle motion cues feature on iOS is designed to help reduce motion sickness when you're using your device in a moving vehicle by displaying subtle animated dots along the edges of the screen that respond to the vehicle's movement. It helps your brain better match what you see with what your body feels. Starting with newer versions of iOS and iPadOS, Apple also lets you customize the appearance of these motion cues to make them more comfortable and less distracting. So, whether you prefer a more subtle look or need higher visibility, you can easily personalize the feature to suit your preferences. That said, let's get started. So, first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to choose the accessibility option. After that, you have to select the motion option to proceed. Then you have to tap on vehicle motion cues. After that, you have to tap on customize appearance. Then you can perfectly customize it to your heart's liking. Pattern. Select regular for a stable and predictable pattern or dynamic for a more engaging visual experience. Select a color. Color saturation will automatically adjust to maintain contrast with the content behind each dot. Visibility. Select larger dots to increase the size of the dots or more dots to increase the number of dots. And that's pretty much it. Customizing the appearance of vehicle motion cues allows you to make the feature more comfortable while maintaining its effectiveness in reducing motion sickness. With just a few taps, you can adjust the visual style to better match your viewing preferences without affecting how the feature works. Now that you've unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives, and I'll catch you up in the next one.